Today is a very exciting day. I'm headed to Epcot for my Passholder preview of Remy's Ratatouille adventure. I have my Marie shirt on just to make sure those rats know I'm not to be trifled with. I made myself a boozy coffee, the color of my shirt, compliments of red velvet Baileys, which I highly recommend. I thought I should try to eat breakfast before I went over, but my choices are limited. We have Freeze Pops, and Gideon's Cookies and Cake, and Mike's Fiber One bars. I'm super excited. I've been looking forward to this ride for quite a while. It's very popular in Disneyland Paris, and it's a trackless ride, which we've seen before in Rise of the Resistance and Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. We made it to Epcot, so let's go check out some booths. I forgot that I can't see anything on the screen with these sunglasses, so if you're not actually looking at anything, I apologize. I went ahead and got myself a strawberry rose mimosa while I was here. This is my favorite of all of the mimosas they have at the festival this year. Delicious. And I actually bought the Skinny Girl Strawberry Rose Syrup at TJ Maxx on one of my adventures out so that I can make these at home whenever I want. Aurora is out. Hello! All right, falafel pita, take 2. I made it to the table with it, so I feel like that's a good sign. If you watched my disaster at the Food and Wine Festival video, you know that I ordered this before and dropped it all over my white dress and looked like I climbed out of a dumpster for the rest of the day. So I'm really pumped to try this. It has a white condiment, so Mike won't eat it, so today's the perfect day. And I have like the Morocco Pavilion basically all to myself. Crazy, right? Oh my gosh, this looks delicious. Sauce is super yummy. Just go for it, I guess. So the tahini sauce is light and flavorful, and there's a little like veggie medley going on underneath with, I think, cucumbers and onions and some lettuce. I love when I can get a vegetable in at Disney. Another banger at the Morocco Pavilion. The falafel is so delightfully crispy on the outside and so flavorful and moist on the inside. Oh my gosh, so good. So Restaurant Marrakesh is not operating as a restaurant right now, but you can still go in and sit and get some air conditioning, and it's just as exquisite as you would expect from something in the Morocco Pavilion. Frozen Ever After is a 10-minute wait. Yes, please. No rules for me. favorite ride at Epcot. It is so magical. Crazy. It's Labor Day weekend and there is nobody here. Again, I have my choice of tables because there's nobody here. I decided to stop in to La Cava to get myself an El Diablo margarita, which I love. I love a spicy margarita. And I walked right up to the counter. Just walked right up on Labor Day weekend. This is nuts. So I heard there were low crowds, but I wasn't expecting this low. It's about that time. Off to France to ride Remy's Ratatouille adventure. This is so exciting! Fun fact about the fountain outside of Remy. You see under the wine bottles there are little mice that go all the way around the fountain that are running. If you were to spin the fountain, it would animate those mice. Cute. Salt and pepper shakers, cheese. Oh my gosh, the Eiffel Tower out of cutlery and salt and pepper shakers.
Bonsoir and welcome to Paris, this city of light. Because tonight, Chef Remy is preparing one of his specialties, which I am certain you will enjoy. Remember, food always comes to those who love to cook, but not to those who are late to dinner.
See you throughout your adventure?
Got my glasses, ready to go.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll go ahead.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Oh, les erreurs, les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what to prepare? Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Concorin? Non. Un simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it! L'eau est en salle. Hey, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
Wet. I was not expecting that. And some heat.
Dépêchez-vous! Par ici! Non! Non! Come on! Remy's kitchen's just around the corner!
Oui, oui, on est presque arrivé à la cuisine de Remy.
Rats are persona non grata in this place.
3 entrecôtes pour la douce. Une à point, une bleue et une saignante. Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la table.
Oui, ma chérie!
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino. Oh. Au revoir.
And for you, things this way, you are always welcome at Bistro Chez.
They were also doing a soft opening of the Creperie de Paris, and that included the inside table service and the quick service window. So I snagged myself a crepe from outside. I got one of the savory ones, the creme de brie. Now my savory crepe took a little longer. It seems like they have the sweet ones ready to go. So if you are in a hurry, just go on up to the window, you order whatever you want, you pay for it, and then they give you a number. And just like at the deli counter at the grocery store, and they call your number, you run up and grab your crepe. Look at all that cheesy goodness. Cheesy amazingness. It's raining on me and I don't even care because I have all this yummy brie cheese. This is awesome. Look at that cheese just oozing out. So Remy's Ratatouille adventure is so fun. It's another ride that's going to be great for everybody in the family. It's super adorable. It's very much like Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, but with some like Flight of Passage type elements. Like you're going to get sprayed by the mop and you're going to feel the heat from the burner and get sprayed with wine when the cork comes out of the bottle. Super fun, super cute. And also the creperie was awesome. If you are a fan of cheese, I cannot recommend that creme de brie galette at the creperie enough. Thank you for coming along for the ride. Hope you had fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, it has been a most gratifying day.